YouTube, how we doing? Saturday morning, Tennessee Arenacrash day 2. Not at Chick-fil-A, we're here at the Cracker Barrel, gonna get some pancakes. We're here a little early. I think practice is going down right now, so we'll see if we got any action going on there. And then, yeah, motos shortly to follow. Stay tuned, carnage awaits us, it always does.
Off the side early, back on the start show. We're gonna try again. It's like we're playing MX Unleashed, you just restart. Whoa! Whiplash! Whoa! This guy looped out my last crash wheel video. It almost replicates it. First lap of the day. Oh, no goggles, khaki combo is out of control. Whoa! A great save, better rider than me. You already know what I would have done. Whoa, frames it and he's down. Battling their way through the down rider. In practice, stakes are high. They connect. Flops like a fish. Wow, track worker almost unknowingly gets smoked. Whoa, they just pile it on top of each other. My girlfriend's back with her new number, duct tape 1. Taking a look at her and stalls out. Poor girl is down again. We got the hold for Pizza Man to turn on my GoPro. Thanks, dog. Whoa! He saves it right before he hits the wall. He does go down. We got one stuck after the wall. Dad runs out to help. Not sure if that's an approved move or not, but we're going to run with it. Oh, and there's our first Larry of the day. It takes another one out. One stuck back. 3 make it out. 3 stay at the gate. 50% success ratio. Well, we're off the side. We're jamming up in the turn. We've got more pros today. Bummer, a lot more. Pizza Man comes out good. Oh, and he come back banging. Pizza Man whole shot. RB2 down, back up. Whoa, wrong way. Oh, Pizza almost gets smashed. He's off the side. Pizza, oh my God. Wow. Off and back on, gets block pass, combo. Oh, it's piled up, fly out into each other. Wow, violent swap. The bike's wide open after the finish. He gets it shut off. Off the side of the wall, onto the deck. We got the 10, Justin Brayton, straight from the booth of Race Day Live to the Victory Sports local arena crash. Career ain't complete just yet. Whoa. Head shake. Off in between. My boy Reagan gets spared, but 07 is down. We got the no fender unit. shaving weight off the 50s. We all know how heavy those things can be. There's our wheelie boy, that's his move. Whoa, my gosh! Walking it off, we're getting applause. True champion, that's heart right there. No quit. Here we go, we got pros, we got outlaws. Come one, come all. Our duct tape is down. And Joe Dirt is off the course. What is going on? We'd rather chat with the track crew. Duct tape down again. Wow, we 3 in. Ballsy move, pulls it off. Whoa, my gosh. How does he stay up and I have all these crashes? Unbelievable. Actually, like, super impressive. Ooh, alternate line. Here we go, battle. We've had beef between these two before. Block pass. Got the 170 of Simonson, splitting time between Houston Supercross and the girls class here in Tennessee. Brake slide to tip over combo, we're down. They really do love the combo moves out here in Tennessee. Here we go, can Austin Puddin Johnson smoke Joe Dirt again? Does not smoke into the first turn. It's our podium announcer, Donnie Adams. Enters the pro class today. Austin Johnson with the slam job move. We're going backwards in the loops. Announcer versus Duct Tape 1 in a showdown we've all been waiting to see. Duct tape down. We've seen it before a couple times today, as a matter of fact. I've been saying duct tape, but that's actually electrical tape. I should know. I've been tape numbers enough in my lifetime. Takes it all wide. Oh, what a pile! Downrider just takes off right in front of the leaders. Would hate to look and make sure before we cross. Joe Dirt versus the Outlaws. Yeah, hybrid line in between the lanes. My boy's been putting on a show all day. Refires it back to life. Look at that cable on the 46. That thing is terrifying. Looks like it's gonna end up in the front wheel and front flip his ass. Huge get off. He's back up. Crashes do not deter him in the slightest. Oh, look at the handlebars. The bars have completely dropped. We're on a crotch rocket out here. Unbelievable. Last year at this place, there was a video of him hitting the finish line with his bike on fire. Gonna have to roll the clip right here. Using all the travel, all half an inch. We're using the Reagan Joker lane. Whoa! Goes from endo to his cleanest jump yet. Grand finale right here for the checkers. Oh my God! More amateur pit bikes. See if they live up to the name. We got varying skill levels out here at the Pit Bike National. They pile it up, proving my point immediately. Oh, we're side saddled. Oh my gosh, get back on the whip, brother. Whoa, cross jump. Dirt mound option line utilized once again. We're battling last lap. We got our red plate. He's solidified himself as a contender throughout the series. He wants this win. Slices and dices the Honda. He goes by. Here we go. First C-Class man of the night. Pizza Man with the POV. And the flail. Whoa, Pizza. One down. Pizza gets collected with him. Safe. Here we go. I just ran we got D-Class on the gate. Pile up. 3 down at least. 4 or 5 caught up. Flat land. Face clamp. Oh, leader down. No. Spins it around. Almost a collision on remount. Behind the pit bike reminds me of the I Want to Ride commercials, but I'm not sure if my buddy wants to ride right now. Rising in deep, right up into the mound. And then another one face plants right in front of us. Collision in the loops, one down, the other gets away clean. Whoa, pizza! And gone, rodeo ride. Bam Bam going for blood on the number 1. Oh, we got one spun around. Bam Bam runs into him again. Whoa, Pizza Man! Oh, down hard. Fall down 6 times, get up 7 or 8. Mad respect, my boy doesn't quit. Oh, they're both connected. The bike's right on top of him. Arenacrash rushes to rescue him from underneath the machine. Just finished my second moto, immediately back to the closed pit and back to the action. Whoa, rides the rear wheel, 195, Brianna Colescott. Babe, chill out. And now we're down on the option line, 50-50 front end washout combo. I think that's 2 laps in a row. Give it a little more juice. Whoa! Almost makes contact with the finish line pole. Does make contact with the face of the landing. Strap in, a full gate of open D is off. Main event. And they all make it through. Quite an unbelievable phenomenon to watch. Whoa, where are we going? Whoa! Wow, he just hit the wall and he's about to hit again. Oh my gosh. Got that prime indoor jetting spec, blowing clouds, smoking us out. Now he's all over the place on the start straight. I don't know if my boy had a couple of Michelobs between motos or what. We're swapping! Watch out, Reagan. You're not safe. Whoa, coming in so hot. One down. They'll it for the fans. They roar in approval. Whoa! Lapper is absolutely unaware of what's going on. Gets right back in the way. Leader down. The Lapper, if I'm not mistaken, I met him during intermission. First race ever, first time on a track, and he looks pretty unscathed. I haven't even seen him crash. Mad props, dude. Respect. Shout out to you. 2-minute hold here in the e-bike class. I think we're waiting to see if anybody has any jumper cables. Gate is down. You can hear it clank like never before. Oh, face plant, start straight. Oh, we got one kick starting on gate drop. A couple more hung back. A lot of variance in reaction time there. One more down. I just missed it, but this guy just did Ricky Bobby's interview from Talladega Nights to a T. I love it. Ooh, off the side. This one had a big one in the qualifier too. I missed it. Went down hard in between lanes right here. The poor track crew guy turns around and sees him, trips over that dirt mound and face plants right next to him. It was truly a sight to see. Got no jersey or pants, but we do have a GoPro on top of the helmet. I'm loving the selectedness of the equipment purchase. Priorities. Last moto of the weekend for Pizza Man. We'll see if he can come out strong. Whole shot. Comes out second. Oh, but our leader's off the track. Pizza's out front. We're dicing for the lead. He gets put off the side. Pizza Man fist pumps to end it off safe. Yes, sir. We're doing a circle out here in Darlington. Oh! Two collide on the way in. Leaders are going to have to go in between the chaos. We got one taking off right in front of them. Jumps in the race. Absolute wrong way. It's bucked upon landing, but we're still in it. Sitting down, coming out of the whoops. Not exactly the way I would do it, but it's going to get her off to a win. Red plate down. He's picking it back up though. Points will be salvaged. Championship mindset. Final moto of the weekend. Our podium announcer, Donnie Adams, headed to another checkered flag. Gonna head to the podium and have a word with himself once again to finish off the event. That's a wrap. It's Tennessee Arenacrash, done and dusted for the weekend. We'll be back at the same location next Friday and Saturday, so stay tuned. It'll be a good one to finish out the series. On the road home, got us a 4-hour trek. Not as bad as last weekend, but it's gonna put us home around midnight. Really getting more and more bummed that I'm not really able to ride and bring you guys that kind of content, but I'm doing the best I can to keep you guys entertained while I'm down and out. I guess with all this crashing and goon content on my channel, I decided I need to try and fit in, which was definitely a bad decision, but we're going to work on healing up and getting ready for the outdoors, and going to keep bringing you guys the content. So I appreciate all you guys watching. Thank you very much. That would be nothing without you. And yeah, with all that said, for this week, we're out. Catch y'all next weekend.